Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to preserve a Rubik's Cube sticker. A Rubik's Cube sticker always peel off after playing it for a few days or few weeks or even one day. My sticker first peeled off after one day I bought it when I just play it non-stop. See, okay, now the solution is a nail polish. A nail polish that's transparent, and this transparent nail polish is not shiny. Just transparent nail polish, it could work fine. Okay, this is my Rubik's DIY cube and I've already polished it with my nail polish. If you can see it, see those lines at the sides, all those here. I just polished the stickers where it bonds with the plastic, so it becomes like a bond now. It doesn't fall. After putting nail polish on the cube, my stickers stay there even for a month or 2 months. It just keeps there. It looks like a charm. It's good. Nail polish is cheap. It's cheaper than buying a cube smith, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to apply nail polish onto Rubik's cube. I've already applied nail polish on my 3x3 cube. Now I'm going to apply on my 5x5 because I've not done it yet, so I'm going to zoom it. Okay. Now, okay. I'm going to apply at the white to orange color. Okay. Now you notice that I only apply when at the sides, I only apply at the sides. At the edge of all stickers, even the middle piece. But if you want to save some, you can do that. Okay, just apply like this. So can you see it? Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me show you one more. Like this. Just apply this way. I'm not doing it so neatly, so you can do it more neatly. It's quite a slow process, but it's worth it. It's more cheaper than buying a cube smith. If you prefer cube smith, it's your choice, but this is a cheap way. I use this for all my Rubik's cube, for my 4x4 or 3x3. It works like, yeah, it's just good. It works. So just apply some more. If it peels off, just apply some more. Just nothing else. Okay, now look at it. Is it beautiful? I think that's all, guys. Okay, thanks for watching.